Photoshop tips. Today I am going to show you how to merge two faces together.
I am going to show you how to deepfake a face. First, we're going to select the face using the lasso tool. Then when we selected the face, I will click Ctrl C to copy. Then I will delete the layer with the face. Then I will paste the face and use the Ctrl T to transform the face and put it over the subject's face. Then I will click Control and click on the layer icon. Then it will select. Then I will going to select modify contract. Then contract 8 pixels. Then I will go to the other layer and delete. This will delete that layer, and I will delete it, deleted that layer. Then I will go and select the face and press Ctrl D. Then we will select both images, go to edit, auto blend layer and stack images, and we will wait for the process to finish. When the process is finished, you will see the final result. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the final result.